Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create Discord membership on Whop. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to whop.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking something like this. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Whop. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Whop videos, where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, a marketplace for really cool internet products. So here guys, you can go and search some trending stuff, as you can see. But also you can do the search in the top right corner, or top left corner, sorry. And also we have the reselling, trading, sport picks, e-commerce, life hacks. We have business, students, gaming, social media, CAAS, personal finance, fitness, travel, and podcasts. So you have a lot of things that you can go through. Also, you can become an affiliate, start selling. You have the blog, and you have your orders here. Also, in the top right corner, you have your notifications. At the moment, this is empty for me because I don't have any, but be sure when you have some, they will be here. Also, in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. So we have your orders, account settings, referral friends, sell on Whop, help and support, and of course, the sign out button. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a Discord membership on Whop. Well, first of all, you need to create your Discord server and create a Whop account, then add passes and perks to Whop, add the Whop bot to your server and sign up for Stripe payments and then promote your server. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.